Hey guys, welcome to yet another video by whbproductions. So today we'll be learning a really interesting technique in After Effects, which will be to using the track matte or using the mask in After Effects. So you've seen the mask in Photoshop, but the mask works differently in After Effects. So here we are going to use the track matte, and you can create some really interesting animations with this. So let's get straight to the video. So in order to use this track matte properly, we are just going to have our logo over here. You can just basically import a logo in your After Effects file. And then we are going to go about at 1 second. Just place this logo at our final position. Let's say it's over here. Hit P on your keyboard for position. And let's suppose you have an animation like this, this position animation, as you can see over here, this logo position animation. So now what you want to do is you want to make this logo appear from nowhere or from within this screen. So you're going to use the track matte property. And the way to do that, basically go ahead and right click over here and select new and select a new shape layer. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this shape layer at the top. And for this animation, I'm just going to go at the end where I want it to be. So this is the final position of the animation. So this is the starting and this is the final position of the animation. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a shape layer. So I can hide this logo behind the shape layer. Lengthwise, you can make it just like this, so you can reveal much more of it. But if you want, you can just go ahead and cover this logo. So in order to choose the fill, you can select Alt on your keyboard and you can press on this button over here and you are going to select this fill. So we are going to have stroke as 0. So let's just go ahead and track matte this property. So you can see this track matte property over here. So if you can't see this track matte property over here, then you need to select F4 on your keyboard to reveal this property. So what we're going to do is just simply select alpha matte shape layer 1. And what this is going to do is this is going to reveal our logo from the bottom. So basically, let's just go back and decrease the size of this rectangle, just so it hides the logo properly, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and track matte this. So let's see. As you can see, our animation is now appearing like this. So this logo is appearing from thin air. And this is how you mask an object in After Effects or use the track matte property, which will be really useful in further animations. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please leave a like and comment.